So here we are doing a test of 4 Fluke meters. 107, 26.97. The old trusty 189, 26.97, 98. The new Fluke 289, 26.99. And the Fluke 377 FC, which is reading in at 27.5, which is not very accurate compared to the other meters. And this meter here, this Fluke 377 FC, I actually sent back in. They sent me a new one and they ran through the calibration labs. So there's something about this 377 FC that doesn't like to be accurate at lower voltages. I can't get a straight answer out of anybody at Fluke. So there you have it, my Fluke test.